Hi, today we want to present about system analysis and design process project. We are from section 02, group 2, which name Cookie and Cream. Our title for this project is Butler Parking System. Here is a list for our group 2 member, which is we have Li Junxian, Tang Weiming, Feng Junyi, and Hajit Kumar.
Hi, I hope you're having a great day. Welcome to the introduction to the rental parking system. The rental parking system, or otherwise known as the RPS, is an online digital platform that is specially designed to automate, integrate, and simplify the management of rental parking slots. The purpose of RPS is to replace the legacy and outdated manual processes with an online web-based or mobile interface that serves both customers and administrators. The RPS is a comprehensive and alternative way that has been designed to automate and streamline the processes involved in managing the parking slots. The RPS provides users with the capability to book parking spaces in real time.
For the context diagram part, it contains four entities which is rental parking system RPS, payment service provider PSP, administrator, and user. The rental parking system provides the payment details, payment methods to the payment service provider. Then the payment service provider needs authentications from the users through the rental parking system. Rental parking system also provide registration details and money reports for administrators, while maintenance need to be done for the RPS system through administrator. The users need to send back the authentication status through the RPS to the payment service provider.
Now I want to present about the use case diagram. The use case diagram is involve three actors, which is the user, administrator, and the payment service provider. The user is involved the use case which is have a registration, login, main menu, parking slot availability, booking registration, and the history. While the administrator is involved in the registration, login, main menu, and the history, while the payment service provider is only involved the payment gateway and the compound only.
For the activity diagram, we will first start our session. So you can see we will move on to the account login. Then it will check the account condition. If you are a new user, you will go to the account registration. And if you are an existing user, you will go to the data set and to the system login, then to the main menu. So logically, if you are a new user, you go through the admin login, the registration, then you will register your account, and then you will log into your account. And if you are already an existing user, you just need to log into your account to get to the main menu.
Now I want to present about the activity diagram that I was do. The activity diagram that I was do is the main menu and the parking slot availability. This diagram is the main menu. If we want to go to the main menu, we need to successfully the system login. Then if when we reach to the main menu can go to the compound and it also can go to the payment gateway. These two have different because it the compound is only for the person who are late to light up their car from the parking location, and while the payment gateway is used for the booking to check their e-wallet balance. And next, the main menu also go through to the parking slot availability. This function is due for to check whether the parking slot is available or not. Now I want to present about the parking slot availability. If we want to reject or not reject, we want to don't continue the next step for the booking process, we can go back directly to the main menu. If you want to continue the next step, we it will send the booking request to the system. Then the system will send the request to the user so that in it will provide the visible things to the user so that the user need to confirm the information that they want the information is correct or not. Then if the information is correct, then it will send the request, the correct request to the system. Then the system will record all the things that the user the system want.
Booking registration interface. It is an interface that helps the users to book for the parking slots. The main targeted community is the users. Users need to have to register account before they book for the parking slot. After that, they need to register for their car plate number in the system before the booking is going on. The users registers their car plate number. The number plate registration interface prompt out. Then the users enter the credentials to register their car. After that, the booking interface will prompt out and trace for the nearby and the availability parking slot. The details of the parking slot will be shown in the booking interface. The user selects parking slot and completes the booking. Users can retry on booking rejection. The users need to enter again the credentials to register the car plate number. If the booking rejected interface prompt out, the users need to key enter again to register their car plate number due to the unavailable of car plate number. If booking cancellation, if the user try to cancel the booking, the users may need to enter the credentials to register the car plate. Then the users decides to cancel the booking due to some reasons. Then the system will redirect back the users to the main menu interface. If the booking rejected interface is prompt out due to the unavailable car plate number, this means that the users not yet registered the car plate number or wrongly key in the credential. The system will prompt out an error message and redirects back to the booking registration interface. The users may continue at the first steps, which is the registration of the car plate number. The booking is successfully done and recorded in the rental parking system if the successfully booking interface is prompt out. The parking slot is marked as reserved for the user's vehicles in the system. Then, the rental parking system will update the availability status of the parking slots in the real time.
Next, we move to the receipt process all the way to the history. After a successful payment is made, the system will dispense a receipt to the user. This receipt serves as a proof of payment and contains essential transaction details such as the amount, date, time, and booking confirmation. Next, the system proceeds to dispense balance, where the user's updated e-wallet balance is calculated and displayed. This gives users instant feedback to how much their balance remains after their booking payment. Then, the user is given the option to view their current balance anytime. This adds transparency and gives users better control over their spending within the platform. Finally, the system allows users to access their full history, which includes past booking, completed payment, and any compounds record.
So this is the UI design for the registration form. First, you will see a create your account, which indicates that you can create your account from scratch. It will provide a full name field and an email field. You just need to enter your full name and email for you to register. Then you will see that you have two types of account, normal user account and administrator account. For the normal user, you just need to enter your password and re-enter your password to confirm your password. It will also show you that you have a password strength, indicating that if you enter a weak password, it will show a weak password, and vice versa for the medium and strong. For the administrator, you need to enter your administrator code. So to register as an administrator, you will get an administrator code beforehand, and you just need to enter your full name, your email, the administrator code, your password, and re-enter your password. Then last, you just need to agree. You need to tick the box, I agree to the terms and condition and privacy policy to register your account. It will also provide you a login link if you already have an account, which is below the register button. And this is the UI design for the login form. The title, Rental Parking System, or RPS, can be found at the top of the page. This indicates that you are trying to log into our system to rent a parking slot. We welcome you back, and you have two methods to log in. If you are a user, you will choose user login, and if you are administrator, you will choose the admin login option. Both you need to enter your email and your password and press login button to log into your account. We will also provide a login via Google, which can be found under the login button. And if you don't have an account, you can click the green register now, which will bring you to the register page so that you can register a new account. Of course, we will also have a copyright, which is right under the register button.
Now I want to present the main menu interface. Our main menu interface is provided the e-bonus balance which can show the customer about their e-bonus balance. We also provide the icon, parking history and setting icon to the customer which they can choose to the next step that they want. We also provide the cancel icon for the customer who don't want to continue any action for their next step. Now I want to present the parking slot availability interface. Our parking slot availability has provided the searching function. We also provide the real-time situation reflection for our customer to show that they have any empty space or not. We also have provide the parking slot location which they can choose, is it near to their house, is it not, is it near to their destination or not. We also provide the cancel icon for our customer to don't want to continue the next step.
This is the UI design for booking registration interface. The features contains enter the user's full names, enter the user's email address, enter the user's phone number, enter the user's vehicle's plate number, and select the parking duration. Then, the available parking slots will be prompted out, and the users will choose either they want to book for the parking slot or not. This is the UI design for payment gateway interface. The booking summary is connected and related with the booking registration interface, which are the credentials of the users will be saved at the interface and connected to here. For this interface, users need to choose their payment method. Either it is from online banking, credit cards or debit cards, or by using e-wallets. And if the users choose to use credit card or debit card, they need to enter the credentials about the credit cards.
Next, we move to Compound Management Interface. Compound Management Interface is designed for admin users to issue and track parking violations. We had applied a light red color theme across the interface to match the urgency of compound notice. On the left, there's a claim form for issuing a new compound. This includes vehicle plate number, compound amount, and violation type. The input box are clearly labeled and arranged vertically for ease of access, especially on smaller screens. On the right, there's a dynamic compound list that shows all records in table format, including status and date. We also include a search bar at the top so admins can quickly locate a record by plate number or violation type. The design is responsive, mobile friendly, and use familiar events like drop down and style buttons to reduce the learning curve for new users. Then we move to the history page, which is available to all registered users. It allows users to view all their parking activities, including bookings, payments, and compound records. The top section features a bold blue header with a title and a short description for context. Below that, users can filter their history by plate number, type of transaction, or date range. All using input fields that is designed for simplicity. The records are presented in a table format that shows type, plate number, date, amount, and status. If there's no history found, a soft empty state message is shown to keep the interface friendly. This design amplifies clarity, readability, helping users quickly check past transaction or retrieve receipt details.
As a conclusion, the rental parking system (RPS) effectively overcomes the shortcomings of conventional parking slot management through the provisions of a contemporary, efficient, and easy-to-use digital platform. By incorporating real-time slot tracking, online booking, secure payment options, and administrative control, RPS enhance operational efficiency and user experience significantly when compared to obsolete manual systems. It's a wrap for our presentation. See you on next presentation.